guys, today just give you a little update, quick update of what's been going on with us. We sold the house. We bought our Grand Design Reflection 28BH fifth wheel. We've been in the process of trying to kind of get all that squared away and get everything moved and just getting used to living a much smaller life than what we had before. So we're looking forward to putting out some more videos to show you guys how we're making that transition from our 1,700 square foot house down to a fifth wheel that's only 34 feet. So it's way bigger than the travel trailer that we stayed in. You know, while we were selling the house, we stayed in our little toy hauler travel trailer while the house was for sale. That way we could empty it out and make the selling process a lot easier. So we had it packed pretty full and it was pretty cramped. So we definitely appreciate the 28BH with being able to have the slides, and Dylan has his own bedroom. We have an individual bedroom up front, and so just a much better setup, and we're really enjoying it so far. We decided to take a trip Memorial Day weekend. We're up here at Suwannee River Rendezvous in Mayo, Florida. It was about a 5-hour ride for us from South Florida where we're at down there. So enjoying it so far. So that's where we're at today, and we'll bring you some footage of that as the weekend goes on. Alright, so we're getting ready to head down and check out the springs and check out the pool and kind of cool off. It's about 98 degrees here today, so we're going to go cool off. We'll catch you guys later.
Are we hot?
As you can see from the marks on that tree right there, the water tends to get a little high around here sometimes when it gets some flooding. Right through this little creek, this runs right down to the river. So during the times when they've had hurricanes around here, you can see how high that water will rise. It's crazy. That is so high compared to where the water level normally is.
The first two right there, right there. Oh. How they done?
1, 2, 3.
Some pigeon is, oh, that pigeon's gonna get that mask. Look at him.
Come on. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Bring it. Come on. Stop.
Let's make her do another jump.
Go.
Wait, can I get a jump over it?
I thought she might. Here, let's try to make her jump over.
We're at the river right now, waiting for the ducks to get down the river for the duck race. That's it.
Alright, so we left Suwannee River Rendezvous this morning around 7 o'clock, and we had about 6 hours to get back here. We're back in Jonathan Dickinson State Park down at Hope Sound. We had a great time this weekend. Suwannee River Rendezvous is definitely somewhere that would be worth checking out. The spring area is neat. I think the real highlight, and we didn't get a chance to do this just because of the timing of everything, but the canoe and the kayak rentals, you can actually float down the river there. You can go down the Suwannee River they have like 3 different floats you can take to go down the river, and then they have a trolley at the end that'll pick you up, bring you back to the campground. So that's a pretty cool service that they offer there. And if we do go back there, that's something we would definitely want to try out. It's a beautiful area up there. It was just incredibly hot. The high temperature while we were there was the actual temperature was around 98 degrees, and the heat index was well up over 100. So it was just, the heat was oppressive all weekend, which kind of put a damper on trying to do much of anything. But we enjoyed the spring area, we enjoyed the pool, and just kind of hanging out and trying to cool off that way. So everybody was super friendly. All the other campers we went there were really friendly, and everybody having a good time. So definitely a place worth checking out if you're ever up in the North Florida area. It's up in Mayo, Florida, so pretty cool spot.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, if you'd hit the subscribe button to follow along our full-time RV adventures, we'd appreciate it.
Alright, we'll catch you guys next time.